Dahil yan ay treason na para sa akin yan ay treason. Dapat kahit na may batas na tayo sa treason May batas na tayo sa kidnapping. Dapat yan sila yung maharap na kung sino man yung mga sangkot dahil hindi po talaga katanggap-tanggap na ang sarili mong gobyerno ang magkakanulo sa isang Pilipino, hindi lang ordinaryong Pilipino kundi isang dating Pangulo. So, pero yaman lamang na meron ng nagpanukala niyan, ako I do not interpose any objection, no? Diyan sa, in fact, sususugan ko pa yan, ang gusto kong parusa ay death by firing squad sa Luneta.
Ayun po. Nako. Narinig nyo guys? Narinig nyo? Ha? Sa Luneta? Narinig nyo ang sinabi ni Mr. Jason sa Luneta, mga kaibigan? Death by, nako, ayaw ko ituloy. Kayo na bahala magtuloy. Death by, sa Luneta daw, gagawin. Yan ang maganda. Para tumahimik yung mga yan. Tignan ko lang. Pag yan naging batas po, tignan ko lang mga kaibigan kung gagawin pa nila yan. Di ba? Kasi mabigat po ang parusa mabigat po yung ginawa nilang treason. Kaya mabigat din ang parusa niyan. Ihihilera sila sa Luneta, ang dami pa naman nila. Di ba? Buti nga para matapos na. So sana po pagdasal po natin yan guys para matuloy po yung matuloy na po yung panukalang extraordinary rendition. Actually guys, ito po, basahin po natin inspired by Duterte arrest. Yung extraordinary rendition po, inspired by Duterte arrest. Ayan Senator Amy Marcos has filed Senate bill. Naka-file na pala. Naka-file na po guys. Ito, basahin natin Senator Amy Marcos has filed, naka-file po kasi may ED na has filed a Senate Bill number 557 seeking to impose jail time for any person found guilty of committing extraordinary rendition of persons to a foreign jurisdiction. Ayun, makukulong nga. Naku, yari. Hindi lang siya makukulong. Marcos named the proposed law the President Rodrigo Roa Duterte Act, supposedly inspired by the arrest and transfer of the former president to The Hague, Netherlands over his ICC case, which his camp believes was illegal. What took place on that fateful day was an extraordinary rendition. The transfer without the due process of a detainee to the custody of a foreign jurisdiction, Marcos said in her explanatory note. Historically, extraordinary renditions has referred to the extra-legal form of practice in which person is apprehended in one country and handed over to another without any formal legal procedure, especially the countries where they may face torture, according to Watchdog Human Rights Watch. Ayan po. Extraordinary rendition is defined in the Anti-Terrorism Act 2020 as the transfer of a suspected terrorist or terrorist supporter to a foreign nation for imprisonment and interrogation on behalf of the transferring nation. It is prohibited under the law. So bawal pala talaga siya. Bawal po siya, mga kaibigan. Marcos said she considers the Duterte's arrest and turnover to a foreign jurisdiction as abuses which may very well be committed against other individuals. Thus, it is necessary to make it exceedingly clear. If it is not yet clear already, the arresting an individual for purpose of turning him or her over to foreign jurisdiction without an order and a warrant arrest issued by a Philippine court is against the Constitution and is punishable under the law. Administration President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the senator's brother, has taken the position that Duterte's arrest and transfer ICC custody was out of the Philippines' obligation to assist Interpol. Ibig sabihin, kasama po ang kanyang brother. Nako, si Amy Marcos na po ang nagsabi, guys. Kasama ang kanyang brother. Ibig sabihin yung brother niya pipila din sa Luneta? Yari. Ayan Kasama din ang kanyang brother. The administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the senator's brother. Senator's brother. Sino ba senator's brother? Siya na yung nag-assist sa Interpol. Nako. So, basahin po natin. The PRD bill would prohibit extraordinary rendition, which is defined as transfer of an individual from Philippine jurisdiction to a foreign one without voluntary and written consent of the persons or the person transferred to an order issued by a Philippine court allowing the transfer for the purpose of investigating, interrogating, prosecuting, detaining, imprisoning, or executing such person. Ayan po mga kaibigan. So ito na po ang kanyang parusa. If passed into a law, the violation of the prohibitions would entail 6 to 20 years of imprisonment or 6 months of incarceration and 10 million fine. It is also allows the freezing of properties to deter extrajudicial rendition under certain conditions. Ayan po mga kaibigan. So, dadagdagan po ito ng, sabi po ni Mr. Jason Sa, dapat dagdagan po siya ng firing. Alam nyo na yung ibig sabihin nun. Pipila sa luneta. Mag-likes po tayo, mag-subscribe po tayo, kasi pag nag-likes kayo at nag-subscribe kayo sa channel namin, ay masayang-masaya na po si Foodinet. Ayan. Yan lang po kalagayan ni Foodinet, guys. Pag nag-likes kayo, nag-subscribe kayo, masayang-masaya na po kami. Kaya ano pang hinintay nyo, guys? Paramihan po tayo ng pindot. Pindutin nyo na. Ayan, maraming salamat. Libre po yan, ha? Wala pong bayad yan. Promise po. Libre mag-likes, libre mag-subscribe, at pwede nyong i-share ang ating video. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Sabi po ni Gemma Javier, Sir Bato, huwag ka nang pahuli sa mga ulupong na yan. Alam mo na, mali ang gagawin nila. Kung kinakailangan magtago, gawin mo. Ayan. Michael Agzulio, 935 likes. Ayan. Dagdagan po natin, guys, mga kaibigan. Sana po masulong na yan. Yes po, Gemma Javier, masusulong po yan. Joselito de los Reyes, huwag ka pahuli dyan na ba to? Gagayahin mo si Bantag, matapang, malapit ding maging president si Sara. Z Dragrong, dapat girahon ni Bato para matagam si Diwata. Cute ako, like and subscribe done. Thank you very much. Esther, ayong mayong gabi Sir Net, karon na ako nagtuslok, bo ang good ni Tolikong Toriring. Renate Ayanes, gusto nila sila ang mga like dan po Sir Food. Thank you very much Ruthye. Eda, Simona Oleidan, ako po, ang ganda pa naman ng luneta ngayon, pinagawa ni Mayor Isko. 965 likes, Bitagalban. Elizabeth Pagsikan, sana hindi na si BBM ang president natin. Ako, sana nga. Magdilang anghel po kayo. Ayan. Oy, 985 likes na po tayo mga kaibigan. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo guys. Raul Arsenio, ayaw padakop, Sir Bato. Waka na kalabot ng ICC, mauna pag gubago. Oo, ay padakop. Tago-tago na lang, Senator Bato, tago-tago ba?